like I said, slightly charging up. That wasn't as good as other ones, but also with this iPad, it takes much brighter objects to catch lightning. Because the only thing I can see right now is the corner of the roof.
Yeah, that's the corner of the roof, and then part of the rain spot over here above us on the left.
It's going to be something like that big, something that wasn't as big, but it was cool design. I was just about to say, I swear, I feel like I need to stop it, but then I'm going to have something big happen.
Family. I should just go through. I got a ton of these. What am I gonna do with these? I don't want to upload these to YouTube. What am I gonna do?
Send it to grandparents. Also, sometimes I expect that I'm going to be like, I might also accidentally catch lightning striking super close one of these times. It's going to be like some of those videos where people are filming lightning else and they zap and like move that camera quickly to where it hit.
Let's hope it doesn't get that close.
Yeah. Also, normally lightning storms, I try and stay as low as I can.
Yeah, that's a good idea. But still, if it hits me or 5, doesn't matter how low you are.
The one time you want to be the lowest is when you're in the middle of the cul-de-sac.
Yeah, you should not be on the
Whoa, whoa, whoa. The only time that's happened is whenever I'm trying to come home from doing something or something else happens. I can't remember what happened some of those times. Woo.
I'm going back to see some of my pictures. So there should be some really good ones right now because Mom's not watching.